Hello, I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's short English lesson. In this lesson, we take a look at some common mistakes that many English students make and talk about how to fix them. Let's get started. Today, we will look at three words that are often confused with each other: say, tell, and ask. Okay, let's start with the word ask. Ask is used for questions. For example, can I ask you a question? He asked me if I was Japanese. You can also use the word ask to ask someone to do something. For example, I asked John to meet me at the restaurant. She asked Randy for directions. Next, we have the words say and tell. These are very similar, so they can be a little difficult. First, let me give you the simple explanation. When we use the word say, you or someone says something. When we use the word tell, you or someone tells someone something. In the sentence, the word say is not followed by a person. In a sentence, the word tell is usually followed by a person. He said he was tired. He told Jane that he was tired. In the first example, we don't say who we were talking to. In the second example, we can see that it is Jane that he is talking to. Michelle says you have a new job. Michelle told me that you have a new job. Susan said, I love you. Susan told Mark that she loved him. A good way to know when to use each is to remember that somebody says something, but somebody tells someone something. So the main difference is that when you use say, you don't mention who you say it to. While when you use tell, you do say who you told. That was a simple explanation. Now let's do a little more difficult explanation. We can use say with hello and goodbye, please and thank you, happy birthday, and congratulations. For example, say hello to your mother for me. I said goodbye at the train station. Did you say thank you to Mr. Smith? We can use the word say to report someone's words. This is called direct speech. He said, I love you. She said, she doesn't like sushi. The word tell is usually followed by a person. He told me where to go. We use the word tell in indirect questions. The word tell is usually followed by a person. He told me where to go. We use the word tell in indirect questions. These are basically more polite questions. Can you tell me where the train station is? Can you tell me who owns that White House? We use the word say with direct questions. He said, do you still love me? The policeman said to the prisoner, where were you at 5 o'clock? We sometimes can use the word tell with some WH words. You can tell someone where something is, why something happened. We use the word say with direct questions. He said, "Do you still love me?" The policeman said to the prisoner, "Where were you at 5 o'clock?" We sometimes can use the word tell with some WH words. You can tell someone where something is, why something happened, or when we want to do something. He told me where to go. Tell me why you are so angry. You can tell a story or a joke. Tell Michael that joke you told me. It was very funny. John told us the funniest story yesterday. We can use say and tell to talk about reported information. She said that it was raining. She told me that she would call at 2 p.m. We can use say and tell to talk about reported information. She said that it was raining. She told me that she would call at 2 p.m. We cannot use say or tell to talk about reported questions. We must use ask or a similar verb. She asked if I had ever been there. They asked what I wanted to eat. She asked where he lived. He asked if she wanted to go home. Here are a few fixed phrases that use tell. We cannot use say with these phrases. Tell someone a story. Tell someone a lie. Tell someone the truth. Tell the future. Tell the time. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to help us, please go to our Patreon page and become a supporter. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.